Well, penguins look like they are wearing little black and white suits. They stand up straight and walk with a funny waddle. These amazing birds live big lives in some of the wildest places on Earth. Many people love to watch them. They seem polite and busy. Today, we are going to learn some fast facts about penguins. It will only take a few minutes to fall in love with them. Let's get ready to learn all about these wonderful creatures. Let's dive into the world of the penguin and see what makes them so special. First, a surprising fact. Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly in the air. Their wings are not made for soaring through the sky. Instead, they have strong, stiff wings that look like flippers. These flippers are perfect for a different kind of flying. Penguins fly through the water. They flap their flippers to push themselves forward under the sea. This powerful motion makes them incredible swimmers. They are much more graceful in the water than they are on the land. Their wings are a tool for hunting deep in the cold ocean. There are many different kinds of penguins in the world. Scientists believe there are around 18 different species. The biggest of all is the emperor penguin. It can stand almost 4 feet tall. The smallest is the little blue penguin, which is sometimes called a fairy penguin. It is only about 1 foot tall. Some penguins have fancy feathers. The macaroni penguin has a bright yellow crest on its head. King Gentoo Adelie penguins also live in many different places, but they have one thing in common. All wild penguins live in the southern hemisphere. This means they live south of the equator. Many people think all penguins live in the freezing cold of Antarctica. It is true that many do, but others live on cool islands or even in warmer places. The Galapagos penguin lives near the equator. Penguins also live on the coasts of South America, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. This means that polar bears and penguins never meet in the wild. Penguins are perfectly built for a life spent in the ocean. Their bodies are smooth and streamlined, like a torpedo. This shape helps them cut through the water with very little effort. Their feet short tail work like a boat's rudder, helping them to steer left and right. Penguins spend a lot of their lives swimming and hunting for food. They are true masters of the sea. When they are in the water, they are fast, agile, and powerful. They can stay underwater for several minutes before they need to come up for a breath of air. What do penguins eat on their underwater hunts? Their diet is made up of seafood. They love to chase and catch small fish like silverfish and anchovies. They also eat lots of krill. Krill are tiny, shrimp-like creatures that float in the ocean in huge swarms. Squid is another favorite meal for many penguin species. A penguin uses its sharp, pointed beak to grab onto slippery prey. Most of the time, they swallow their food whole while they are still underwater. They are very efficient hunters, catching many fish in a single dive. Penguins have some fun ways of moving around on land too. Their famous waddle is actually a very smart way to save energy. By rocking from side to side, they conserve momentum as they walk. They can also hop over rocks and rough ground. When they are on snow or ice, they have an even better trick. They lie down on their bellies and push with their feet flippers. This is called tobogganing. It is a fast and fun way to travel, and it helps them move quickly across long distances without getting tired. Penguins also need to stay warm, especially the ones that live in Antarctica. They have a brilliant system for surviving the cold. Their bodies are covered in thick, overlapping feathers that create a waterproof coat. This coat also traps a layer of warm air close to their skin. Under their skin, they have a thick layer of fat called blubber. This blubber acts like a winter coat, insulating them from the icy water and freezing winds. To stay even warmer, penguins often huddle together in large groups, sharing their body heat to protect everyone from the cold. Well, a penguin's life is full of challenges and dangers. They must always be on the lookout for predators. In the ocean, their main enemies are leopard seals, orcas, killer whales. Leopard seal, large, powerful hunter, with sharp teeth, and fast enough to catch a swimming penguin. To escape, penguins use speed and agility to swim away or quickly leap out of the water onto the safety of an ice floe or the shore. Penguins have a very clever form of camouflage to help them stay safe in the water. This trick is called countershading. Their bodies are dark on the back and white on the front. When a predator like a seal is looking down at a penguin from above, its black back blends in with the dark, deep ocean water. But if a predator is looking up from below, The penguin's white belly blends in with the bright sunlit surface of the water,